The iPhone 18 Pro hasn't launched yet, and that might be the best reason to buy the iPhone 17 right now. After 47 days with the iPhone 17 Pro and months tracking every credible iPhone 18 leak, I landed somewhere I didn't expect. The iPhone 17 is the smarter buy, and I can prove it in 5 numbers. There's one of them that's going to genuinely surprise you. It's not about features, it's about money, and it hits you twice. I'll get to it. But let me show you the full picture first. This is for anyone sitting on an iPhone 16, 15, or older, wondering if now is the right time to upgrade or if waiting a few more months for the iPhone 18 Pro makes sense. I've been using the iPhone 17 Pro every single day for 47 days, and I've spent 3 months cross-referencing every credible leak, analyst report, and supply chain rumor about the iPhone 18. My take is not what most people are saying right now. Here are 5 reasons to buy the iPhone 17 instead of waiting. Let's start with the most important number, $200. That's how much more the iPhone 18 Pro is expected to cost, according to multiple analysts, when it launches this September. We're talking a starting price of $1,299 for the Pro and $1,399 for the Pro Max. For context, the iPhone 17 Pro right now starts at $999. So we're not talking about a slight adjustment. We're talking about a category shift. Why the hike? The AI build out, more RAM, more storage, a more advanced chip manufacturing process. Those costs go somewhere. Nika somewhere and they go to you. Apple has already raised iPhone prices in Japan. The writing is on the wall, and here's the part that actually bothers me. There's no guarantee the iPhone 17 series stays at its current price once the 18 lands. Apple's entire pricing architecture reshuffles in September. The window to buy at today's price is right now. And that's reason 1, but it's connected to reason 5 in a way that changes the math completely. We'll get there. Okay, so maybe you're thinking, I don't need the Pro. I'll just wait for the regular iPhone 18. Here's why that plan doesn't work. Apple is reportedly splitting its launch calendar this year. The iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and its first foldable, those are September. The standard iPhone 18, the iPhone 18e, and the Air 2, spring 2027. That's not a few weeks of patience. That's potentially 6 or 7 months of waiting. For what exactly? A phone that, according to the latest leaks, might actually be a step backward in a few meaningful ways. Which brings us to reason 3. This is the one I didn't see coming. Multiple credible leakers are claiming Apple is cutting specs on the standard iPhone 18 to control costs, potentially sharing components with the cheaper iPhone 18e. We're talking a lower tier display configuration, a downgraded chip setup, and even with a reported bump to 9 gigabytes of RAM, 2 new iOS 27 features, reportedly won't run on it. Let that sit for a second. The standard iPhone 18, the one most people are waiting for, could be less capable in real-world AI performance than the iPhone 17 you can buy today. The iPhone 17 Pro doesn't have that problem. It's the better spec'd phone for the money at a lower price, available right now. And look, nothing is confirmed yet. But the pattern here is consistent enough that I wouldn't bet on the base iPhone 18 being a meaningful upgrade over the 17 for most people. All right, let's talk about the features you think you're waiting for, because some of them are not coming. Remember the reports about Apple ditching the dynamic island for a hole punch camera on the iPhone 18 Pro? Gone, completely lost steam. The foldable was rumored to have a 24 megapixel under display camera, not ready this year. A truly crease-free folding screen, closer to nearly crease-free in real-world testing. Here's what's wild about the rumor cycle. People wait months for features that never show up. Now, the iPhone 18 Pro will get real upgrades, a more compact dynamic island, a redesigned camera control button, a variable aperture main camera that gives you actual depth of field control. The A20 Pro chip on 2 nanometer, genuinely useful. I'm not dismissing those, but transformative? No. If you're upgrading from a pre-2025 iPhone, the iPhone 17 Pro already represents a generational leap. The question isn't whether the 18 will be better, it will be. The question is whether it'll be $200 plus better. And based on everything I've seen, the answer is almost certainly no. Okay, this is the one I promised you, the one that hits twice. Your current iPhone, whatever you're holding right now, is worth more today than it will be in September. Trade-in and resale values on older iPhones drop the moment Apple announces the next generation every year, without exception. So here's the actual math. If you wait until September to upgrade, you pay more for the new phone because of the price hike, and you get less for the old one because of the trade-in drop. That's not one financial hit, that's two. On a high-end upgrade cycle, you could be looking at a $300 to $400 swing in real out-of-pocket cost. Just from waiting, your iPhone's trade-in value is at or near its peak right now. That window closes the second Apple steps on stage in September. So should you buy the iPhone 17 right now instead of waiting? If you're upgrading from an iPhone 15 or older, yes, no hesitation. Here's the full picture. The iPhone 17 Pro delivers flagship performance, a camera system that's genuinely excellent, and years of software support ahead of it at a price that's almost certainly going up after September. With a trade-in window that's closing fast, the iPhone 18 Pro will be better, but better by less than the price gap suggests, and you'll pay that gap twice. Now, if you're specifically holding out for the foldable, that's a different conversation. And if you're on an iPhone 16 Pro and genuinely happy with it right now, wait, if the battery upgrades on the 18 Pro Max alone might justify the cost for you, but for everyone else, the smart money is on the phone you can buy today. I'm curious though, am I the only one thinking this way? Drop it in the comments because I know the counter argument and I want to hear yours.